Hello guys, welcome to Exam Days. In this video, we are going to discuss about TCS App Campus Drive for the candidate 2020 and 2021 pass out candidates. The TCS has recently released the information about how to apply for the off-campus drive from non-campus candidate, and this recruitment will be entire the pan India. Any students who are from 2020 2021 pass outs who have minimum 60%, they can apply for this recruitment drive. Let's look into the all the information about this drive regarding the eligibility, online assessment, and the selection criteria, selection procedure, and all the information we're going to discuss about on this video. Let's look into the TCS official website. Here is the official website for the TCS. Already the registration is open, and the last date for the registration is 16th January 2022, and the online test is commencement is announced from 8th November 2021 onwards, which means already it started, but still there is a registration is still open for submission. Those who are not submitted yet, they can submit it till January 16th. And the interview date will be intimated to the shortlisted candidate upon online test assessment. Here is the detailed eligibility. Here is eligibility streams, which is engineering, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc from the year passing 2020 and 2021. So these are the candidates. And the next, here is how to apply for the online registration. So before this, before application, we need to know what is the test pattern. Here is the test pattern. Total test provided by the TCS ION NQT is a test provided for the TCS App Campus hiring process. And here is a part A, part B. Part A is a cognitive skills. Part B is programming skills. Part A will be conducted 120 minutes. Part B is conducted 180 minutes. 60 minutes. Total part A, part B is 180 minutes. So 120 plus 60 is equal to 180 minutes. So in the part A is a group name is numerical ability 40 minutes, verbal ability 30 minutes, reasoning ability 50 minutes. And in the part B, in the programming skills, programming logic 15 minutes, coding section 45 minutes. Total 120 plus 60, 180 minutes. So these all the questions are in multiple choices. And the next, the eligibility. Just now we seen the course eligibility, and this is the cutoff marks is 60%. If you have any CGPA course, instead of percentage, they're going to calculate 6 CGPA. Most of the north side universities will provide the pass out marks in the CGPA manner. In south section, there is percentage wise the marks will be given. So if you have a percentage, you need minimum 60%. If you are holding CGPA, you need minimum 6 CGPA. And highest qualification, the students should have completed their education in the stipulated course duration. There is no extended education. And backlogs, should not have any pending backlogs at the time of application registration. And the gap in the education, that should be 24 months, which means 2 years, should not exceed 24 months. And the course type, only full-time courses, regular courses are considered. part-time courses and correspondence courses will not be considered. If you are a regular students here, then you will be considered for this. And the next, the work experience. Students with the prior experience up to 2 years are eligible. If you more than 2 years, you are not eligible for this off-campus program. Means the freshers can apply. Means work experience should not cross more than 2 years. And age, it should be 18 to 28. This is the cut-off age for the this recruitment process. And the courses, just now we discussed about the courses, that is the engineering, both in graduation and post graduation, and MCA and MSc. And the next, TCS also provided the frequently asked questions, FAQs. So these are all the information as given on this page. If you have any question regarding this recruitment, you can read all the given questions and answers, so you will get some idea about this recruitment process. And after this FAQ, there is important note is given. This is important notes. So you must have all your original academic documents is ready for the document verification process. You need all the original mark sheet and degree certificates. Just TCS going to check once, and they're given back to you, and they will keep only the Xerox documents. And test mode will be remote only. TCS does not send any job offers. Yes, this is a very important step. The TCS will never send any job offers without any online assessment and interviews, and they never ask any payments from unofficial email IDs. They never ask any payment. If anyone asking, that is a scam. So no need to respond those emails. And the TCS does not ask any candidate to deposit any money for the job offer. Yes, this is correct. So keep these 2 points in mind, and never pay any 1 rupee to anybody. Next, the TCS is not associated with any external agencies. Yes, TCS never depend upon any third party. TCS off campus will conducted by only TCS organization only. If you have any question on this recruitment process, you can reach by help desk team by using this official TCS email ID, and this is a toll-free number. You can ask all the questions if you have any question. Still, if you have any question after reading this entire page regarding the test pattern and course eligibility and the dates, last date of registration and test commencement, all this information. So let's check out once the registration is open or not. Let's click out. Yes, this is a link. Yes, if you are already existing candidate, you have to use your reference ID. The reference ID will be generated after the submission of application, or you can use the email ID. That is only registration email ID, or you can and you can use a registered password. If you are new candidate, click on the new candidate. So register here. Then here is the select the category. If you are engineering category and looking for the software side, you can use the information technology. If you are looking for the non-IT services, you can use this BPO services. Sorry, it's a BPS services. BPS means it's a business process services. I'm going to selecting IT. Yes, they have given certain pop-up is regarding all the profile of IT. So this is the information. Candidate can apply on these applications. Okay, so I am going back. I am going back. Okay, so this is the official information about the TCS. So I'm going to give this link, this official link on the description box. You check out, and check all the information. So once again, by yourself, and check all the information, dates, important notes, and FAQs, and test eligibility, pattern, and syllabus. Syllabus here is given here. So for this syllabus point, you can use any standard R.S. Agarwal books for the preparation of this numerical and verbal and reasoning abilities. And the programming language and coding section, you have to use any standard books, those books is available on the college library. You can collect those books. So this is the information about TCS for the 2020-21 pass out